Is this good? Is this good? Nope. Hi guys, my name is Hiba and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're in for something. Basically, I create videos on pretty much anything and everything. I really love making makeup videos, but I do that mostly for Instagram. So YouTube is kind of like chaotic. Anyway, so I have quite a day planned. I'm gonna go visit my mom. Wow.
Wow, and how'd that affect you with guys?
I have a social life, okay? So I kind of wanted to do a cute little glam. I'm not really much of a wear makeup outdoors type of person at all, surprisingly.
Wow.
But recently I'm just like, yo, maybe it's because it's birthday month or maybe it's because it's summer. But I've been feeling like expressing myself and, you know, doing some cute little outfits, doing some cute little looks. I have got to make more of an effort, in my opinion. Oh, by the way, you guys, I got a little upgrade. Arsha put out this little table thingy for me so I can sit down and actually store my stuff and not do my makeup videos like a hobo. I'm gonna try to show you through this mirror. Wait. But you see it, right? You see where my stuff is, right? Anyway, whatever. I'm gonna start by moisturizing my face. You guys, I've been doing something kind of bad recently. When I have like a full face of makeup, I take it off with a cleansing balm, which is olive oil, and then I wash it with hand soap. And then after that, I go in with my face cleanser. I feel like I'm doing so much wrong, but it feels so right. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my lenses. I get a lot of questions about these lenses because people sometimes when they look at me for long enough, they have to like stare at me and be like, whoa, are you wearing lenses? Because of that little subtle highlight over there, it just gives my eyes a whole new... So yeah, these ones are from Co Fancy. Not sponsored, by the way. They're the only brand of lens that didn't sponsor me. But they're good lenses, so I'm talking about it. These are the only lenses that I've seen that actually keep it this subtle. Horror movie thumbnail, go. I'm just gonna use this to brush my brow hair up, and it is tinted in black, so I don't need to fill in my brows. Okay, so I'm using this under my eyes because I crease here a lot. This is something I do whenever I'm doing like daily chill makeup and I know I'm gonna wear it all day. It just helps it last longer and go on smoother. I also need to shave my stash. I'm gonna go with LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Light Ivory, and I'm going to basically just apply this under my eyes only because it is pretty full coverage and it does add highlight. Now I'm using the e.l.f. HD Lifting Concealer in the shade Medium. It's a lot closer to my skin tone and it is a darker concealer, but mixed with the ivory, it's gonna give me the perfect shade. I actually leave my concealer on for just a little bit, just so that it has time to settle down, and then I'll just blend out the edges so that I get maximum coverage. I'm using this fluffy brush over here. I got this from BH Cosmetics, and I'm gonna use this to blend out my concealer. So I basically used tapping motions and I didn't do the swiping much because I didn't want the product to actually move thin. I just wanted it to blend in that area. You see how it like instantly like brightens up the eye? Like, it looks like I got a good night's rest, which I did actually. I don't know why I always joke about that. My sleep schedule is pretty on point. Okay, so like look at my skin right now. Can you tell that I have like a lot of makeup on? No, I don't. But does it do something? It does. Now I'm taking a pressed powder and a tapered, fluffy face brush, can you tell I'm a professional? I basically use this brush to press on the powder on the sides of my mouth because this place does have discoloration from, you know, whatever reason. Sometimes it's genetic, sometimes it's because of sun, sometimes whatever. But I have it. Now look at this side of my mouth versus this side of my mouth. This side looks a little bit cleaner, right? I think so. Even if I'm delusional, let me live in my lies. Don't disturb my peace. I didn't set my concealer yet. This is a little tricky because I hate using powder products on my face because, like I said, I have dry skin, so I try not to use too much powder. So let's try to do that. This is the e.l.f. translucent setting powder. I actually really like this powder. I'm gonna go in with the same brush that I use for my concealer. That's a lot. Just tapping off most of that. So before I set, I just go with my brush one more time to make sure all the creases are not creased. And just set it there. Perfect, perfect. I'm also gonna set my lids. I just have oily lids. Now I wanna bring a little bit of color back into my cheeks. I'm gonna go in with my workout ready lip and cheek palette. This can be used on the lips as a little tint, or I personally love using this on my cheeks. I'm gonna warm this up between my fingers. Now I'm going to slowly introduce it, and I'm just tapping that color on, blending it into my temples, and bringing it out to right about this area. We're looking so kawaii. So that's some really nice subtle cheek tint going on, and I love it. I actually love it. I'm gonna add a little bit on my nose. Now I am a little extra and I like going in with some bronzer as well. I'm using mine from e.l.f. and Perpetually Tan, and I'm just gonna apply this right here at the lower half of where I applied my blush to kind of create a nice seamless blend between my skin and the blush and add some dual tones and some depth. It's nice. A little bit of Vaseline on my lips. It's time for my eyes. I feel like it wouldn't hurt to have a really thin, chill, flicked out wing. Like, that didn't hurt anybody. I'm gonna grab some dark brown eyeshadow, matte of course. Basically, I'm gonna line and extend my eyeliner from center of my lid and make it go up in a very thin line. Ta-da! It's nothing crazy, but it adds like that nice little, you know, something. I love a very subtle eyeliner. I mean, like, check that out. Now I'm gonna take that same angled brush and eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna bring it in. Disconnect to know your calls. Your phone don't even ring. Now I'm going to top it off with one of my favorite mascaras. This is the Voluminous Million Lashes mascara from L'Oreal. First, I like to go in with quick little flicks. Then I go deep and wiggle. And finally, I go vertical. Yeah, check it out. Nice, right? Now sometimes when I'm feeling extra, I actually cut off my lashes. So for example, something like this, a very natural looking lash, and I just apply it on the very end of my lashes, like just layer it on top. So it kind of blends into the lash and it adds a little extra flare. But today I'm not sure. I don't know. Let me just wait it out. Maybe I'll feel like doing it later. And for lips, I don't think I'm really gonna do anything for them, but if you feel like doing something, you could put on a lip balm or put on a lip tint. I already have some Vaseline on, but I'm just gonna go in with that lip cheek tint again and just kind of just add it on top very lightly as a tint, not even as a lip color. Boom! And that's about it. Like, if I was not explaining everything, I think my entire routine would have taken me like anywhere like 5 to 7 minutes, maximum 7 minutes. So it's very practical for me to make this like a daily go-to look. It just makes me feel like I'm refreshed. Clean makeup look, a no makeup look. I love this trend that's happening. It's lightweight, it's minimalistic, it's actually doable, and it's time friendly. Like, sign me up. I think I am not done. What do you guys say to picking out an outfit? This is my fit. I didn't want to go crazy, so I just put on some black leggings and I paired it with this mustard long sleeve shirt, and I put on this kimono type looking cardigan. I think I'm pretty much ready to go and rumble and tumble. I hope you enjoyed this look. I mean, to be honest, like, what's not to like? Just stick around, okay? I need friends. Don't forget to subscribe and see what's up and happening. Also hit that like button so I know you guys enjoyed this video, so maybe I can make more similar videos, who knows. Thank you guys for sticking around with my weird crackhead awkward energy, and I love you guys, and take care and be safe. Bye.